If you are looking to create and sell online courses, LearnDash might be your LMS tool. In this walkthrough, we will explore LearnDash, which is one of the most popular WordPress LMS plugin, using their official demo to show it in action. We will learn what it is, we will learn the key features, we will also go through a live demo walkthrough, pricing, and finally our thoughts. Now, at first, what is LearnDash? LearnDash is a powerful learning management system plugin for WordPress that allows you to create, manage, and monetize online courses directly on your site. It's ideal for educators, trainers, businesses, or anyone wanting a flexible, scalable LMS without leaving WordPress. It has seamless integration with WordPress themes, plugins, no coding required for basics. Now let's talk about some of the core features of LearnDash, and we will start with the course creation. With LearnDash, you get a drag and drop course builder. You can add lessons and add topics within those lessons. We will also be able to create quizzes, and of course, we can drag and drop all these around. It also supports multimedia, so you can add videos, images, text, etc. We can add videos from URLs, or we can add shortcodes. It's also possible to add assignments to course lessons and topics. We will also have access to engagement tools, such as the content drip feature. We can decide when this topic or lesson or quiz will be released or scheduled. We can make it immediately, enrollment-based, and we can also choose a specific date for that particular topic, lesson, or quiz. We can also include prerequisite for the courses. We can add a compare mood. We can select if students have to complete another particular course in order to enroll to this course. We can also include gamification elements like points systems and tie those point system with the courses. So in order to access a particular course, students need to accumulate a certain number of points. We can also add course certificates to a course, so students, upon completion of that course, will receive a certificate. We also will have access to a certificate builder and customize the certificate ourselves. Now let's talk about assessment and reporting. LearnDash provides you with advanced quiz categories or quiz types, such as single choice questions, fill in the blanks, multiple choice, free choice, sorting choice, and also matrix sorting. There are several quiz categories to choose from. You can also choose assessment and essay open answer. We can also add prerequisites to these quizzes. We can add a passing score quiz certificate. So when students complete this quiz, they will be able to receive a certificate. We can add a time limit to this quiz, and there are various quiz settings. As for reports and analytics, if we enable that, we will have access to advanced reports and analytics. In the reports section, we can take a look at LearnDash reports overview of how many students we have on our LMS website, how many courses we have, how many assignments are pending. We can take a look at the general progression and students' progress in our eLearning site. In course reports section, we will be able to select particular courses and get course reports for that course exactly. We will be able to export our course data if necessary. Now, as for course monetization, we will have access to several payment gateways. By default, we can already see PayPal, Razorpay, and Stripe Connect, but you will still have access to other payment gateways. When you're monetizing your course, you can make a course open, free. You can make this course buy now, add course price, include course enrollment URL. You can also add a subscription-based system and add a recurring payment by mentioning course price, billing cycles, recurring times, course trial price, etc. You can also make this course closed, so in case you want to use integrations such as shopping cart or membership enrollment, in that case, we can enable this. The front end also looks very clean and modern. Your students will have a good learning experience over here, and it is also mobile responsive. If we talk about add-ons, LearnDash has been around for a long time and it supports a lot of add-ons. As you can see, there are so many add-ons. There's 2Checkout for LearnDash, BB Press, Easy Digital Downloads, Elementors, Event Espresso, Gravity Forms, MemberPress for LearnDash, Paid Membership Pro, etc. There are other add-ons such as LearnDash Achievement, Certificate Builder, LearnDash Pro Panel, which gives you access to more analytics, and also LearnDash Review Plus. There are several native premium add-ons such as LearnDash Gradebook, which allows you to track students' progression and scores. With LearnDash Groups Plus, you can create groups hierarchy for organizations. With LearnDash Groups registration, you can sell group licenses for courses. There are other premium add-ons such as LearnDash Pro Panel for advanced analytics, LearnDash Notes so students can take notes when they're taking the course, MemberDash for advanced membership gateways, and there are several third-party add-ons for LearnDash as well. Now let's go through how you can create a course in LearnDash. First, what you do is go to the Courses section under LearnDash LMS, you click on Add New Course, or you can choose to create a course from video playlist, create outline using AI, or add using the front-end course creator. After that, you add a title to your course and add some introduction text to your course. You can add images, videos, and other media files in this section. In the Builder section, this is where you create your course. You can add course lessons, and then you can customize these lessons and add your course content within those lessons. If you need to add more topics within these lessons, you can just simply click on New Topic, add a topic name, and it will be quickly added. You can save your progress, click on Edit, and add your course content within these topics. You can easily add quizzes by clicking on New Quiz, adding the name to your quiz. Then right from within the course builder, you can click on Edit and create your quizzes from here. For quizzes, you can create new questions and choose from the 8 quiz types, then create your question for your students. In this way, you can add as many lessons, topics, and quizzes to your course as you want. Then after you're done with this phase, you can move on to the settings, decide how you are going to monetize your course. There are several options to choose from. You can make this course public, you can make this course free, so students have to register, but will have free access to this course, or you can monetize this course with buy now or recurring, or you can use closed for shopping cart or membership integrations. Then you can add course materials. Here you can add several course materials. Then we can add a challenge exam, which is an interesting quiz which allows students to skip a course if they are able to successfully answer this quiz. We can decide if we want to make the course content always visible or only visible to enrollees. We can enable custom pagination. We can select a course completion page. We can also add requirements for enrollment such as prerequisites and course points, which we talked about earlier. We can add a course access expiration date. We can add a start date and end date, also add student limits. And after that, we can add a course certificate. So upon completion, students will receive this certificate, add course completion points. We can also choose a course progression. So will students be able to freely access the contents of this course? Or we can choose the linear process, through which students must progress through a designated sequence. In the front end, this is how the course will look like, and when students finish this course, they will be able to download their certificate. Now let's talk about the pricing. LearnDash has several pricing plans for you. The base plugin is available for $199 a year, which gives you only one site license. For a 10-site license, it's $399 a year, and the unlimited plan is $799 a year. This will give you the base plugin, so all you need to do is get your WordPress site ready, set it up, add a theme, and then install this plugin and start creating and selling courses. Of course, if you don't want to set up your WordPress site and if you want experts to take care of that, so you can only focus on your e-learning business, you can get the Stellar Sites license, which starts from $29 per month to $79 per month. Here your website will be taken care of with web hosting, domains, daily backups, AI writing tools. You'll also have access to starter templates, and you will have enhanced login security, email and chat support, and self-service knowledge base. LearnDash also has a mobile app, so if you want to take your e-learning site to the next level and create a mobile app, you can get the LearnDash app. If you want to learn how you can create courses using LearnDash, how you can create challenge exams, quizzes, certificates, etc., we have tutorials on all these topics, which you can find in the video description. And if you want to check out LearnDash pricing, you can find the link in the video description. So that brings us to the end of today's video. We hope that it was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos such as this one. So thank you for watching. See you next time.